Hello, Marius! Another day, another custom beaded bag ang aking ginawa just in 4 days. Yes, Marius, you heard it right. We just had a customer who's asking for a rush order of custom beaded bag. Actually, at first, I'm really hesitant na tanggapin yung order because of so many things. Like, baka hindi ko ma-meet yung expectations niya. Ma-disappoint siya kasi nga minadali ko yung bag. Though, she's the one who's insisted na gawin ko yung bag. But syempre, in my end, she's a client who's asking for my service. Kaya pinag-isipan ko talaga, Marys. After 3 days of discussion about sa bag na gusto niyang ipagawa, we finally had an agreement. Pero syempre, bilang isang artist and a risk taker, nag-go talaga ako. And I even challenged myself by making different patterns sa mga beads than the usual pattern na ginagawa ko. And so I did.